I want it all, I get, I buy it. I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking is fluent. All of my business booming. Stacking my cash in abundance. All of my family funded. Finally got what I wanted. Life is amazing, I love it. Everyone know that I run it. Yeah, look at me now, I came up. I've been thinking back then when I almost gave up on the game, cause I never got it my way. Never got my mama whip on the driveway. I've been making all hits on a Friday. Back then I was getting like no plays. I'm never gonna change, no Kanye. Gotta get
over the hood and with his one leg up like this.
You can do a flip like this.
Yeah.
Finger like this.
Yep.
Do it, Keeson. Do it.
Dude, this might end up being my cover photo for my Facebook.
Keeson, come on, dude. Come on, Keeson. Keeson, come on. Keeson.
Oh, you're worried about the people here. It's going on YouTube. The world is seeing it. Don't worry about us.
This is going on the video.
At least.
Did I get a daily driven out of it at least?
Yes, yes,
Daily driven?
yes,
Yes.
yes,
Alright.
yes.
Yes,
You'll get a daily driven out of it.
What do you want me to do?
So over the hood, kind of like over it with your leg up, like that. You're looking back at me.
With your hair flipped.
You can flip
with your hair
oil, get your hair flipped.
Like how?
So like lean over it with your hand on it. Like
This is epic,
stick
man.
your ass out. Yeah, you gotta like.
I gotta get more.
Yeah, you gotta do like.
Okay. Just hands in or how? That makes a difference.
Yeah.
That's the Camaro thing, right?
Yes.
Yes. Freaking majestic, bro.
Am I sexy in it?
You're like a unicorn.
Gotta get a picture for your mom.
So majestic. So good.
Oh god.
It's sober.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh man.
Which is the worst part.
There's the YouTube cover photo right there.
Anyways, guys, we just got back from a meet. It was for a memorial of someone that was very close to us here in the car community, and I just wanted to show you guys tonight what happened. You know how cool it is, how everybody just gathered around. There was probably at least like close to 300 people down there, but yeah, we all got together, all taking pictures and everything like that. But anyways, this is part of the video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna try to make this video epic, so thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing, and here comes Keeson. But thank you guys, and we'll make sure that we keep uploading every week. We're trying our hardest now that it's sunny out and there's no rain or anything like that. You guys are, you know, starting to see we're uploading a lot more. We are seeing all this stats and everything, and we get notifications on our phone all the time, so it's cool. Thank you guys, and we'll try to upload some more. Right now we're just taking pictures of the cars of Drew's and my brother's Toyota because they're clean, and it's taco time, I guess. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching.
Perfect.
Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I've been feeling great. I've been feeling how I should, how I really should. Been growing up way too fast, like where is my childhood? Lyrics legendary, like I am Robin Hood. Flow is flowing good, like I am some driftwood. Doing things I said I can when others said I could. Showing up the class studying, I try to make good. I am from the West, but I'm not talking Clint Eastwood, yeah. I was thinking about these times, 2 a.m. in my room, creating music with some rhymes. I was feeling divine, third place took a lot to reach the finish line. But now I'm here, love your Shakespeare. Try to talk one-on-one, but motherfuckers always in their fear. That's so watching down, looking at the fucking atmosphere. Gucci, they be prophetess. He's white and he's speaking fast and seeing auctioneer. But I get it, I feel it, I beat it, a motherfucker wanna murder that beat. But I get it, I spending not credit, I get it from Reddit, I read it from Reddit, I get it repetitive, feeling offended. I look at my words again, wanna start shit again. Really wanna start shit again, Run it back to all of those days in your bedroom, recruiting for phase. Eating some chips, they were always lazy. Fantasizing about buying some J's, but you got no money to pay. Ask mom, she says, this is her face. You certain days, eating donuts, they were always glazed. Shit.